Okay people, here I am with my friend Ulf. Oh, this is weird, this is new. We are at Ikea. So if you have any questions or anything you want us to do at Ikea, we are not going to go into the big part of it, we're just going to go. So we are going to buy one wire basket thingy, and also a table for me. So now we are coming to so this is one of the biggest, is this the biggest Ikea in the world?
Yeah, I think so.
This might be the biggest Ikea in the world. This is 4 stories high with lots of showrooms, but we're not going to go through the showrooms just yet. Oh, it's quite hard to try to keep some social distancing here. But we try. Do you want to, should I sit there?
No, keep social distance.
Yes, oh that's great. I was thinking about buying a new knife. And they have also opened up, so usually at Ikea you have to sort of go round and round and round. Now they open up. This is an opening that is just sort of, you can go and buy the bare necessities.
This was marvellous.
Yes, we bought these the last time we were here. These are great. And this is a scrubber, I've just learned. And this is not a scrubber. What's that? Oh, that's a bottle cleaner. So now we are coming to the kitchen things, I think. And these are great. They look quite like some kind of contraceptive, but you put it on things to, well, keep it from spoiling, I guess, or the flies getting in. And on the floor they say clearly that vi håller avstånd and then people are not. But this is a great thing. Just got this in front of you. So we are live at Ikea, me and my friend, and we are crying. But everyone seems to have the same idea. Let's go to Ikea today because it's the 1st of May and all the shops and all the works and places, most of them are closed because it's the 1st of the day. You're supposed to be out waving a red flag. So everyone is going to Ikea. Oh, bananas. Isn't that a Madonna song? So Ulf bought some, oh, he needs threads. Last time we were here he bought, I don't know if this, do you have this in the Ikea where you live? Lots of fabric? They are closing the fabric shops, have heard. It's Ikea. I kind of like this one, but I think I'll just not buy it and then sort of complain about not buying it. That's my way. And I did it my way. So the plans of the day is I'm going to buy a table, a part of a table for my kitchen, and Ulf is going to buy a wire basket thing that we are going to go home to Ulf's place. Are we boring you? No. And then we're going to go home to Ulf. I might do some cooking, or we might buy some falafel on the way because Ulf tried a new great falafel place. So that is what is happening. Oh, I like that print. So, how many times have you been at Ikea this last month?
5.
That's not unusual. So let's see. Or maybe we can go that way, or straight to the. Can we? So we're going to take one of those shortcuts, because I'm sorry if this tour of Ikea is not so toury, but there are so much people here. Oh, this is nice. That is nice. So where are we? Yes, here we are. So this is sort of the warehouse part of it. This is where you go to pick up what you sort of chose on the way. Oh, maybe this is where my table should be, right? I'm thinking about buying one of those as well, but I'm not sure. I'm looking for a table. Where the funk is the table? Oh, I need to ask someone, I think. Oh God, this is the worst thing about Ikea. No, well, not the worst thing about Ikea, but I mean, it's sort of like, oh God, that stuff. Where do I find it? So, and I've lost it. This basket looks kind of new. Oh, it's a basket backpack. Let's see if we can see where we lost Ulf. Do you see him anywhere? Oh, he's looking for his wire basket thingies. So here he is. Oh, these tires are nice. Maybe for the balcony. Maybe. Oh no, that's the easy chair, not the tires. That's our own sale. So let's see, I'm gonna find that table. So I'm gonna go look here. God, I hate that ivoox. Oh God, I can't even spell. And food. Oh. Let's see, where is that? Oh, that's it. Shelf. That's the thing I'm looking for. It's shelf 38 and... No, wait. Well, I can't... Can someone else translate that? You have shelf and shelving. I don't know. 38, 27, 38, 27, 38, 27, 38, 27. I'm getting weird looks. It's a good thing I speak English, because people think that I'm not from Sweden, so they're not talking to me. 38, 20 something, 38, 20 something, 38, 20 something. Hmm. 38. 38 something something. 38 something something. What was it? Something. 38 to 27. Oh. What is it here? No. 27. Yes, it's there. Isn't it bigger than that? Fantastical. Why does that say totally different? Oh, Ikea family. Fantastical. So I'm going to take this one. Good. So let's go look for Ulf. Oh, there he is. So this is a Swedish voice telling us to keep our distance, social distancing. Hello. I found it. It's the right one, right? Oh. Fuck. So Ulf told me that means that I have to take another one as well. So I thought this wasn't enough. So 38.72. 38.72. So oh fuck, yes. It's a good thing. I would be really worried. Thank you so much. So yes. So can you help me with that? Sorry.
Jag kan inte lyfta och hålla. Men sluta på 03, va? Du måste putta undan.
We go. And this one as well. Can you lift? This is how you get people to lift for you. You just go live. So let's pay for this.
Can go
Imagine coming home and not having those two. God, oh.
Friends with you.
That's why I have intelligent friends. Well, and you. And we are going in the self-scanning queue. So people, I think I have to say goodbye now because we'll be needing both my hands later on. But thanks for watching this. Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Have you missed them? Have you enjoyed this? So goodbye everybody. Say goodbye.
Bye bye.